Hello and welcome to a new Putrid Ramblings video. I made this video to celebrate me hitting the 2,000 subscribers mark on my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for subscribing, and I really hope my videos are helping you to slay the grey, which is a term I've heard and I really like it. Paint those minis. I thought it would be a fun idea to do an AMA for this video. So a while back I asked people if anyone had any questions for me, and you guys did. So let's get started. I'm doing just fine, thanks. Painting wise, I got a lot of projects I still want to tackle, and I'm trying to get more games in, which can be quite of a challenge. That is a tough one. I do love horror movies, but I don't think there are a lot of them with actual ghosts in them. I'm not counting demons and possessions and that kind of stuff. I think I'd have to go with Beetlejuice. It's a horror comedy, but it still deals with actual ghosts. I started painting about 15 years ago, but actually trying to improve my painting, that was about 4 years ago. Trying out new techniques, getting better brushes, stuff like that. I don't really spend a lot of time on that. If I like the box art well enough, I'll just try to make my own version of that. If not, I'll come up with something myself. I think that's the advantage of working as a designer and illustrator for over 16 years. I do, of course, test out stuff on other models or bits I have lying around before I tackle the actual model. When indeed. I will get to it eventually, but in a short time I've started using a 3D printer, an airbrush, new paint techniques. It's a lot, and I'm really trying to get better with the stuff I already have before adding more stuff to my repertoire. The best color I currently have is probably Plaguebearer Flesh. It has a very nice dirty quality and a clear opacity. You paint it on anything and it'll make it look even grosser. The worst color I have is probably Death Guard Green. It's not so much the color as it is the paint. It's a base color, but it has terrible coverage, so you probably need about 3 coats just to get an actual nice even coat on whatever it is you're painting. Somehow I think Kiss is supposed to be something else, but I'd probably kiss my old D&D character, which was a half-orc. Could be quite dangerous though. I'd probably marry Spock, as I'm pretty sure we'll have a very efficient household, and I'll kill off Darth Vader. You know, he was one of the most awesomest and evil movie villains ever, but nowadays he's just a meme and a joke. Thanks, Disney. It's either the Great Unclean One or Horticus Slimmix. I really went all out with the Great Unclean One, making him as disgusting as possible. I might want to make another one, maybe as Roticus. I really like that face with all the maggots. I have been painting for about 15 years now, but I really try to improve my painting for the last 4 years. I usually paint around 3 to 4 evenings a week, and one session is usually 4 or 5 hours, with lots of snack breaks, of course. These times are also used to actually edit and film my videos as well. When I started my slight obsession with Nurgle models, I had to convert and make my own Plague Marines, which were looking okay, but not great. What really got me going was the converted Hell Maggot I made. It really got me creative. I wanted to make him as disgusting as possible. Now I'm actually really happy we've got a lot of cool Nurgle models to choose from. I'm actually a very big horror movie fan. From gory B films to art house films, I watch everything. Fun fact, I actually wanted to make a horror movie review channel before actually starting this painting channel. Some of my favorite horror movies are Evil Dead 2, Brain Dead, Possession, and Mandy. I also read a lot of horror novels, and I actually used to draw a horror comic, which with my cartoony art style was not that scary, but it was fun. And those were the questions I've received. Thanks everyone for participating. So what's next for the Putrid Painter channel? Well, when I finish the Undivided Chaos Space Marines, I will be tackling the coolest Blood Bowl team ever, the Halflings. Oh yes. After that, I'll see what hits my fancy. But I did get this, the Horus Heresy box. So I'll be painting my favorite legion, which is, of course, the Death Guard. And that's the end of this video. I really want to make these videos when I actually have something to tell. But if you guys want me to make videos on related hobby stuff, definitely let me know. In the meantime, be sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pictures of current projects and behind the scenes stuff. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye.